What happens when you research the benefits of lemon essential oil? You might be pleasantly surprised. Welcome to Boldly Essential. I'm Stephanie Mello, and I'm excited to nerd out with you for a few minutes today on the research-backed benefits of lemon essential oil. Because at Boldly Essential, we bring you ways to consistently nourish your mind, body, and soul. And lemon oil is one powerful performer in your wellness toolkit. Please note that these studies were performed in a multitude of ways. Human studies with oral, topical, and aromatic and injection of lemon essential oil or lemon essential oil compounds. Other studies were done in vitro or in animal research. Either way, these are some very promising studies on the application and benefits of lemon essential oil. If you're interested in these research summaries, I've linked the book I'm sourcing these from below, which has over 2,000 citations. All about lemon. Lemon essential oil is from the family Rutaceae, genus Citrus, and species Lemon. Lemon essential oil is cold pressed from the rinds and would read on the label Citrus limon. Limonene is the most dominant constituent. When we break down the research, we're really looking at 6 main categories: brain and cognition, mood, skin, digestion, cardiovascular, and immune benefits. So let's start with the skin. In vitro research showed that lemon oil reduces elastase activity, which may prevent wrinkles. When it comes to brain and cognition, there's actually quite a lot to indicate that lemon loves your brain. Animal research showed that limonene improved dementia caused by the drug scopolamine. This one is super interesting to me. In vitro research suggested that lemon oil may prevent and manage neurodegenerative diseases caused by oxidative stress. Lemon inhibited ACHE and BCHE enzyme activity and prevented lipid peroxidation. This prevents the breakdown of acetylcholine, which is essential for memory and thinking. People with neurodegenerative diseases tend to make less ACH, leading to deficits. Also, they found that BCH is often found in the plaques and tangles of people with Alzheimer's. Next, another animal research study suggests that lemon prevents damage to the hippocampus, which is responsible for long-term memory, knowledge, experience, and the related emotions. Lemon oil reduces damage caused by oxidative stress that is associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Another animal research study suggested that lemon may enhance the learning ability of rats, and rats who inhaled lemon oil were able to find the target faster than the control group. Before we continue, if you're finding this information useful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep producing this content for you and you can keep nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Remember, we're giving away one free diffuser to one of the first 100 subscribers. Be sure to leave a comment to be entered in the drawing. Now, let's talk about mood. Animal research suggests that the inhalation of lemon oil reduces anxiety and depression by influencing dopamine and serotonin activity. Other research shows that lemon reduces anxiety by interacting with GABA receptors. GABA binds to the receptors to reduce excitatory activity in the brain that causes anxiety, panic, and fear. It may also modulate serotonin and noradrenaline levels. Another study showed that lemon oil elevated the mood and increased norepinephrine levels. Low norepinephrine is associated with depression. Inhalation of lemon oil balances the autonomic nervous system adaptogenic. It influences the ANS in healthy and depressed persons. Healthy subjects experience increased sympathetic and parasympathetic activity after inhalation. Depressed people increased parasympathetic activity, which is amazing since depressed people tend to have an inhibited parasympathetic reaction and an overactive sympathetic reaction. It went where they needed it to go. Finally, rats exposed to lemon essential oil experienced changes in the corticosterone levels and neural response that decreased anxiety and pain. Next, let's talk about digestion and oral health. Pregnant women, I've been there a few times, and they found that those who inhaled 1 to 2 drops of lemon oil placed on a cotton ball directly under their nose experienced improvements in the nausea and vomiting of pregnancy. Oral administration of 1,000 milligrams of D-limonene every day or every other day relieved heartburn and GERD symptoms in 89% of the people after 14 days. I calculated this for you because I love you so much. The percentage of limonene in lemon oil and then the conversion rate from milligrams to ml, this would equal about 15 drops per day. Lemon oil may also prevent cavities by preventing glucosyltransferase and lactate hydrogenase activity, which reduces production in the mouth. Streptococci in the mouth is associated with cavities, but it requires both GST and sugar. GST also helps to create plaque. So lemon oil can be a powerful part of your oral healthcare routine. Now let's talk about the cardiovascular system. You may recall from the lavender video that lemon, ylang ylang, and lavender inhaled reduced systolic blood pressure and had a positive impact on patients with hypertension. Next, inflammation and pain. In vitro studies showed that lemon oil decreased inflammation by inhibiting the 5-lipoxygenase enzyme associated with the inflammation response. Rats exposed to lemon oil aromatically experienced changes in the corticosteroid levels and neural response. And like I said before, it decreased anxiety, but they also showed it decreased pain. Now, when it comes to immunity, we have some in vitro research suggesting that lemon oil activates the enzyme that promotes the death of cancer cells in brain tumors. As you can see, there are so many research-backed benefits of lemon oil. You may have even found that what I shared debunks some of your concerns about using lemon oil. Remember that lemon oil is labeled as GRAS, generally regarded as safe. According to the National Institute of Health, daily use is not associated with any negative outcomes. None of this information is meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease or ailment and is provided for informational purposes. But please stay tuned to our Lemon Essential Oil series so you can learn more about ways that you can practically use lemon in your wellness routines. Thanks.